Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make slime with silica gel. First, gather your materials: clear school glue, fine silica gel beads, and warm water. You'll also need a mixing bowl and a spoon. Make sure your silica gel beads are small, ideally 1 to 2 millimeters in size, for the best texture. This method creates a unique, satisfying slime. Now, let's mix the base. Pour 1/2 cup of clear glue into your mixing bowl. Then, add 1/4 cup of warm water to the glue. Stir these two ingredients together very well until they are completely combined and smooth. Next, carefully add 1/2 teaspoon of your silica gel beads to this glue and water mixture. Continue stirring the mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll notice it starting to thicken and pull away from the sides of the bowl. This indicates the silica gel is activating. Once it's mostly formed, take the slime out and begin kneading it by hand. Knead for 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth, less sticky, and has a consistent texture. To keep your silica gel slime fresh, always store it in an airtight container when you're not playing with it. This prevents it from drying out and maintains its unique texture for longer enjoyment. Also, if you're looking for some amazing socks that last, check out the link in the description for darn tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.